night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hi, today we are checking out the Parkside angle grinder stand. But it is a budget friendly tool. Also, to put all this together you need a better hand tool. This stand is designed to fit the most standard 115 and 125 angle grinders. This stand features an adjustable clamp. Here we see these two screws, and the arms are adjustable, so you can put bigger or smaller grinders in this stand. So we have an adjustable clamp, a sturdy base, it's made, I think, from a kind of cast iron, and also we have a spring-loaded arm for controlled and smooth cutting. In my case, the clamping system holds the grinder well in position. Also, the button from my grinder is in this side, but if it was in the other side it was pretty hard to reach. However, we have some minor flaws here. We have this screw, what it is a stand to keep the grinder straight, but in my case we hit this button what plugs the grinder disc when you want to change it. So in my case, this screw I will not use it. The pros and cons for this stand are in this way. 1. It is affordable and easy to set up. And also this stand is it's made to improve precision and straight cuts. The cons for this stand are it is not ideal for ultra precision work. Also, what I really don't like at this stand is this plastic protection, what is fragile and feels so cheap. So it is better to keep the original protection from the grinder, because it is from metal and you have a better protection than from this one. I think this stand for occasional use it's okay, and this stand can be a solid choice if you use it just from time to time. And now I want to ask you, would you use it in your workshop? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews. Now I thank you for watching and see you in the next one.